Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back with another video. And today what we're going to make is it's a card, like an accordion card, which kind of folds out and it will spell whatever you want it to spell, but mine's going to say I love you. So I've already cut out the hearts with the letters on. I think I've just got one more to stick on, which is the letter U. So what I've got is a piece of black card which measures 11 3/4 by 3 1/4, and then I've cut out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've cut out 8 hearts, okay? You could use circles, squares, whatever you want. And then we're going to score this piece of card at every 3/4 of an inch. So if you take your scoreboard, okay, so we're going to score at 3/4, 1 1/2, 2 1/4, 3 3/3, 4 1/2, 5 1/4, 6 3/4, 7 1/2, 8 1/4, 9 3/4, 10 1/2, and 11 1/4. And there will be a little bit left, so just leave that for now. And then what we want to do, just trying to work out which way it will be. If we just fold and burnish it in an accordion, you know, if like you're making a rosette, just back and forward. Okay, so you should end up with that, okay? And the idea is, what you're going to do is you're going to attach your little hearts just into there, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, we need one on the front. So what we'll be doing is we'll have the first one, which happens to be I, will just sit on there like that. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one will go on there. So I'm just gonna first one is gonna go there. Okay, so you only need a little bit of glue just on here. I think it's blocked up. Alright, so just about there. And then I want my L because it spells out I love you. So again, just a little bit there, something stuck in there. And then just try and get them even, relatively even if you can. And then I want the O. You can see, and then when you open it out, it's not straight, is it, at all? That is there now. It says I love you, which I think is just so cute. Opens out like that, okay, and then you would just fold it back up into its little accordion. And then what you can do as well is, if we take a bit of this red, just a bit of scrap that I had, I don't know if it's going to be big enough, it should be. Just thinking maybe what we could do is even trim that a bit smaller, because I made it that size to be the same length as the heart, but I think it's a little bit long. So I think what I'll do is, yeah, I might just take, probably won't be able to cut through this actually. Oh, I can. So instead of cutting it to, what did I say? Did I say 3 1/4? Just make it 2 3/4. So 11 3/4 long by 2 3/4 in lengthways. So we'll fold that back up, and then if we take this, we could make like a little belly band just to keep it closed. So if we just wrap this round, something, yeah, just something like that. And then I think what I'll do is I'll just get a bit of glue. You don't want it too tight because you want to be able to get it on and off. It just stops it from like popping open. And then I have these little ephemera, like a little ephemera pack, and I was just going to put this cute little butterfly on the front. So just like on the actual belly band, not the card. So a bit of glue on there. I hope I've got that in the right place. Take it off actually, just to check I'm not gluing it onto the card. Yeah. and I think that looks beautiful. And then, as I said, it just opens out, I love you, and it does kind of stand up, which I think is a really, really cute idea. Definitely something cool for Valentine's Day. So it just folds back up like that. See if we can get our little belly band back on. There we go. How sweet is that? So there's another idea for you. So as I said, just if you're using hearts, because I mean obviously you can use like maybe a big square or a big circle, and then you might need to have it, you know, a little bit longer, but because I thought it looked a bit too long having it at 3 1/4, so I've just, so you could make it 2 3/4 in the length, but still the 11 3/4 long. So I'll put all the info on my blog, and I will be back again on Sunday with another video. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.